Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website where you can chat with Claude Opus, Gemini 3.1 Pro. We also have Grok. It's called as ATXP chat. If you directly type this on Google, I've also given the link in the description of the video. This website will come. It's a kind of an agent. You can chat with Claude Opus 4.8 for free. Once you go to the website, the landing page will look something like this. It's really a very new website, just recently released 4 weeks ago. I'm using it. You can access all the premium AI models. Once you sign up, it also gives you $3 of free credit for new accounts, no credit card required. This is their landing page. Now to get started, you click on start chatting free. So once you click this, you need to create a brand new account. So once you click this, you need to create an account right here. You will be redirected to the login screen. So directly you can use your Google account. So simply click on continue with Google. So just this takes just 2 minutes to sign up, and I'm using it for past 4 weeks. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So where you will be able to chat with premium AI models. So just wait for the authentication to complete. So once it authenticates, you will be redirected to the LLM playground section. Similar to any AI platform, you see this chat screen. Right here, you simply select whatever AI model that you want to use. So we all have all the models right here, Claude Opus 4.6, 4.8. So let me select Claude Opus 4.8. As you can see, we are inside a free account. So we directly type a question right here, build a image to PDF. So directly you will write this. So now the model will respond to you using the Claude Opus 4.8 model. You can even generate images, videos as well using this platform. You can even generate images, music as well. You also have the ability to attach files as well. So this takes some time. So once it finishes, you will get a notification that it has created your application. So now you will see it will start developing the application. So we are using this latest Claude Opus 4.8 model, guys, for totally free. This website is really insane. It can even work with inside VS Code as well. I will make a different video on how to integrate this website using an API so that you can directly generate applications through VS Code directly. So if you're looking for a free alternative to use Claude Opus, you can use this website. So once it completes generating the code here, you will get a notification that so you can see that it actually generated this, also the description related to the application as well. So you can copy the code to clipboard as well. So click on copy code, your copy, everything will be generated. You can even generate pictures, music, videos as well. So we are inside the free account. So you get $3 of balance. You go to settings, you can actually change the settings. All these settings are there related to the AI platform. Different commands are also there. So if you simply check the balance, once it gives you the account balance right here, $3 is more than enough to check out the platform. You can create multiple accounts as well. Just log in with multiple accounts to actually get $3 more. And if you do want to add the balance, you can even add more balance as well. Just click on the payment details and simply add more as well. You can click add card, credit card, and add more balance as well. So they do offer their API as well. If you go to the developer section, So this is actually the connection string to configure this directly through an API. So this will require a different video, so I will definitely make that video to integrate how to inside VS Code. So, but from here you can change this model. So let's suppose you want to use a different model. We are using Grok 4.1 fast. So you can ask any kind of question right here. It can be a programming related question. You can generate images, videos, pictures, everything. You can even do web search as well. By clicking web search, you can intensively do web searching as well. Simply select that. It also has a code interpreter as well. So for this you need to LibreChat code interpreter API key for that. So once you consume some, you can see your credits now is remaining $2.99. So one chat just cost 1 cent, which is really cheap, and you can create pictures as well. So it also have different websites. So this is actually a picture generator, AI picture generator. You click on start generating. Again, you log in. Similarly, you can generate video as well. So I simply write the prompt right here. So it will sketch a professional looking HD image using this Claude Opus model. So, so it generated the response. As you can see, that top 10 frameworks of Node.js, and it generated a fully professional looking response with more description related to each framework. So definitely check this website out, guys. ATXP. The link is given in the description. So definitely check this out. I have given the link in the description. So this is actually, so you can see that as you chat, your credits will be consumed and your balance will be deducted.